Now we are discussing about mechanical options. In that today we are discussing about vehicle accessories. What are the automobile accessories? Read on to find out. Car cover, cleaning cloth, seats cover and floor mats, air freshener, puncture repair kit, tire inflator and pressure gauges, GPS navigators and comprehensive toolkit. These are most important in every Chaurasta. Chaurasta means 4 streets of center. Once one automobile accessories shop is there means it will save their time and vehicle also. So it should be not only it's not for 4 streets of corner. In any one of the corner it is there means you can ask the neighbors nearer to your area people. Where is the vehicle repair center, and then they will say that in this line is there, this line is there, that line is there. Then you can go there. Otherwise, you can transport it to any another truck or something. You can do your wish, you can do your purpose, and you can do your need also. So, automobile accessories is must in 4 corner centers especially. And what is auto parts and accessories? Automobile parts accessories means any parts, accessories, aftermarket products or equipment are of used with automobiles. And next point is what are important safety accessories in a car? Auto lock braking system and electronic brake force distribution and anti-lock braking system or ABS and electronic brake force distribution or EBD are an essential car safety feature that have become standard on all cars in India. Next point is what powers accessories in a car. Automobile accessory power. Automobile accessory power can be transferred by several different means. However, it is always ultimately derived from the automobile's internal combustion engine, battery or other prime mover source of energy. And next point is what are 4 accessory systems. The accessory organs are the teeth, tongue, and glandular organs such as salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. 4 accessory systems. And next point is what are the popular car accessories. In this section, dash camera will be there, and fire extinguisher, parking camera, puncture repair kit, tire inflator, glass breaker, and windshield treatment, jumper cables. What are the 4 main parts of a car? Floor, most important automobile components, chassis, engine, transmission system, the body. And next point is what is the full form of NCAP, New Car Assessment Programs, Safety Features and Devices. And next point is what are free accessories in car. 25 freebies are there to ask for when buying a new car. Service and maintenance, preventive maintenance, rust protection, fabric protection, extra set of keys, floor mats, navigation system, mud flaps. Extra set of keys are most important because human being may forget while going somewhere. He may forget in hotel or restaurant his keys. If extra keys are there means additional key set is there in home or something in your office means it will save your vehicle. And next point is what are the 8 major parts of the automobile. Engine, transmission, battery, alternator, radiator, front axle and front steering, and suspension and brakes. And what is a power unit in automobile? A power unit for an auto vehicle includes an internal combustion engine, an electric machine electrically connected to electrical power storage arrangement, and a torch turbocharger comprising a first turbine located in an exhaust line of the engine. And next point is what is chassis in car. Chassis is a term that should be used to refer to the load bearing part of a car's frame. And next point is what is a clutch in a car. Everyone knows that a car has an engine to power it, but not everyone is familiar with the clutch or how it works. This mechanism both engages and disengages your power transmission from the driving shaft to the driven shaft. It connects rotating shafts, and there can be two or more of these under your hood. And next point is, how does a gearbox work? How does a gearbox work? The gearbox in a car works by transferring power from the engine to driver, the wheels, by employing a set of gears that can be shifted to change the speed and torque. The gears are arranged in different patterns to offer different speeds while maintaining the engine performance. This is the information regarding vehicle accessories. Vehicle accessories shops are most important in 4 street corners and busy centers. Also, wishing you all the best.